In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up app layout grids in Figma. Now it's super easy and straightforward to do, but make sure you pay close attention and watch every step closely to ensure that you do not miss out on anything and you get it all correct. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead into Figma, and I've actually created a brand new document here. Now we're going to go up to the top and you can see there's this little grid icon here. We're going to click on that, and then over here on the right hand side we're going to select which phone model we have. So there's a ton of different ones here. I'm just going to go for the iPhone 13 mini for now. So it should pop up and it should show you this layout here, and if you want at the top you can double click on it, you can rename it. So I'm going to name it iOS. Now I'm going to go out over here to layout grid. I'm going to click on that there, and now I'm going to click on this setting here, and I'm going to go change it from grid to columns, just like that. Now for the count, I'm going to put 4. And for the color, you can change it if you want to. This I'm going to leave at 10%. We're going to put the type to stretch. Width stays auto. And then the margin, we're going to put that onto 16. And then we're going to put gutter as 8. Just like that. And now this here is pretty much ready to go ahead and make your iOS designs. You can also go ahead and duplicate this if you want to and put it onto a different phone size, but this is going to be perfect for what you need. So yeah, let me know if this helped you out. If it did, please comment down below that it was helpful, and also like and subscribe so other people can see the same video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.